What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Key10, and today this is the craziest video that I have. I know that I've said that for every other video, but that's because it's true. They have been getting crazier. So today, this is a $5,000 Soul Steals feeder box, and this is insane. So if you guys don't know what they are, it's a membership website, and you pay a monthly fee or a yearly fee, whichever you choose, and then you're able to get like shoes like these. And the reason that you buy them is like you're buying them in bulk, so then you can make money on them and, you know, turn a profit. And that's the idea of it. And they usually sell them for what they get them at their cost. So I ordered this last week, I believe, and we'll see. This is crazy. $5,000 is what I paid for it to get it shipped to my house. So there should be some profit to be made. So let's open it up and see. All right. So the first shoe that I see is this one without a box. Going to be honest, I have this is in the bag. I'm going to be honest, I have never seen this shoe before in my life. It's an Air Force One, and I mean it's a nice colorway. It says Uplift. I have no idea what these are worth. They're size 13. And they came out in 2011, so I mean they're nice. If I had to guess, I would say they probably do not go for much. Size 13, and I mean they look brand new, but with no box. I don't really see much signs of wear. It's nice. It's like a suede, but it's not. It's not very suede-y. It's more like a nubuck. But size 13, no box in these. So that's the first shoe out of the box. Also on the counter, on the screen, I don't know if it's on this side or this side. I don't know. That'll tell you what I'm estimating the market value to be, and I mean what I can probably sell it for, what I feel like I can. So, all right, let's get into another box. I can already tell this is a Kendrick box. I should have worn my Kendrick hoodie for this. But this is a size 11.5 Cortez Kenny 3. As you can see right there. Yeah, I've seen these. These are Kendrick Nike Cortez. You see right there. I mean these. I don't think these go for much. I think these are honestly probably like $50. This is kind of cool. I don't think you can see that in there. Let's see if you can. You can't see it in there, but it says Nike Cortez, preferably wear with shorts and tall socks. That's kind of cool, but all right. So these are dead socks, size 11.5. I honestly don't think these will go for over $100. Probably as with those first shoes too. I don't know. I wouldn't think this would go for much. The next box out is a LeBron. LeBrons typically don't do well. These are LeBron 17. Oh, these are the 2K edition. All right. These aren't bad. These are actually pretty clean. Let's see that. But pretty clean. These are brand new. Let's see the bottom. Pretty nice. Size 11. Not bad. These retail for $225 and they go for less than that. Like honestly, probably, I don't know. Hard to estimate, but I'd say maybe like 120-ish. So I don't know. All right, this is an off-white box. It says yellowing. See that? Yellowing. It's not good. Oh, Airmax 90, size 13. Oh, Brand new. Woo! Wow. Look at these. Can you see that? Is that light washing it out? Dim this down a little bit. Oh, man. Air Max 90 from the 10 collection. Wow. Dead stock. These go for probably, they have the extra laces. I'm not seeing the zip tie. No zip tie, but I would have to say those are dead stock. I mean, look at that bottom. Wow. I mean, I don't see any signs of wear. Man, that's crazy. These are probably at least $1,000. Super clean. Wow. That's insane. But I'm looking at what we have, and I don't think, I mean, for a $5,000 box, I don't think that we're getting up there. This is a Nike SB box. It says Nike SB Zoom Blazer Mid. Okay. I don't know. What size are these? Size 8.5. I don't. These are super clean. Like these are very, very nice. I like how they did with that stitching. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I actually got a camera. I was just using my phone, and man, that quality. Come on. Like this video for the quality. Come on, baby. All right, sorry. Anyways, size 8.5. I don't think these go for much. Retail is $95. Probably go for less than that. There's 2 shoes left in the box, and right now I don't even know what we're at, but I wouldn't say. I would say maybe 1,500, maybe. Let's see what we got. Okay, so if you guys don't know, I can tell off the. I can tell off the jump this is an off-white box because they cut the boxes. You can see there. Size 11.5, off-white. Oh my god, dude. Dead stock off-white UNC ones. Are you kidding me? I have never seen these in hand. Dead stock? Holy crap. I don't know what, in this size, I don't know what they go for, but this is at least, in some sizes, this is $2,000. I would say this is probably at least 1,500. That is crazy. Dead stock. Got that. If you're a sneakerhead, you know that smell. I smell it all the time, but it's got the zip tie. I'm assuming this may have been on display, so I don't think so, but wow. I don't know if they come with, do they come with extra laces or no? Oh yeah, extra laces in there. That's a good boost to the counter. That's insane. I can't believe that. And we still have one more box, so hopefully this blows the socks off of it. Okay. Oh, no way. What is this? Original box. Air Yeezy. Oh my god, dude. This is... What size is this? A size 10? This is my size. The Yeezy Zens. Oh man, look at how clean those are. Are these dead stock? No way. These are dead stock. Holy sh**. I'm gonna... Oh my... Bro, these are like probably $2,000 also. Alright guys, what's up? It's Editing Keaton here. And I just want to show you guys something that I noticed after filming, and I reached out and talked to them. So I was looking at the shoes, and I'll show you these. So you can see it's 2 different color liners right there. This is like a vibrant orange and it's more of like a lime green. And so I had reached out to him and was like, hey, is there, like, what's up with these shoes? Like, there's 2 different color liners in it. And they hadn't even noticed it. So then I reached out to a guy that I know has a lot of like sample Yeezys, like Nike Yeezys, stuff like that. And he said that they're actually 2 different pairs of shoes. So I don't know if it'll pick it up. I won't be able to get it on the camera, but I'll include pictures into the video. But this one actually has like a promo tag. So this was like a promotion sample. Well, not really a sample, but a promo in the US. And then this one released overseas in like Melbourne, I believe, or somewhere like that. And it has this orange, and then this has the lime green. And I messaged Soul Steels, and then they were like, well, do you think you could sell it? And I was like, well, I'll see. So I really have no idea what's going to happen with these shoes. I mean, it's kind of a cool story. They're both legit and authentic, and it's just like they kind of got mixed up a little bit, I believe, which is fine, I understand, but at first I couldn't really tell. Also, maybe because I'm colorblind, who knows, but yeah, just thought I would jump in here and show you guys that. So I don't know how I'm going to be able to sell these, if I will be, who knows, but it's a cool story I thought I'd share with you guys. Wow, that is crazy. Dead stock with the original box. I don't know if these came with lace locks like the other ones, but wow, this is crazy. This was the first, actually I don't know if it was the first Yeezy Kanye made, but this is the first Air Yeezy. And Kanye used to be with Nike before he went to Adidas and made Yeezy. That's insane. Wow. Holy crap. I can't believe that box. I'm just telling you right now, I can't believe that box. I cannot believe that box. There is more shoes right here than I could have ever imagined. Holy crap. Dead stock Off-white Airmax 90s, dead stock Off-white UNCs, and the Yeezy ones. Oh my god, dude. This is the craziest box I've ever had in my life. That's insane. Wow. I don't even know what to say. I guarantee there's a good amount of value on the calculator. At least $5 grand. I think probably a decent amount more to make some profit, but that's insane. I can't believe that. So if you know anybody that's a size 13, tell them to hit me up. I got the size 13s. Wow, that's crazy. If you guys made it this far, I appreciate you watching it. It means a lot. If you could like, comment, subscribe, it would mean a lot. I will be back with more of these hopefully soon, and I appreciate you watching. Take care.